Hello everyone, this is me from the Fix Netflix YouTube channel. If you are seeing no signal, weak signal or a blank screen of your Xbox, this is the right place to resolve the problem by the few steps. Today we will show you why your Xbox shows no signal, weak signal or blank screen and discuss how to resolve the problem. Before we start, if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel Fix Netflix for more helpful tech tips and tutorials. So let's start it. Step 1. Power cycle your TV. Firstly, unplug your TV power cable back of your TV but not the outlet. Then wait for 2 minutes. While waiting, press and hold down the power button of your TV for 10 seconds to get rid of any remaining electricity. Now recheck the problems, and if the same problem persists, then go to the next step. Step 2. Press and hold the power button on your Xbox for 7 seconds. This ensures that the Xbox really turns off, which is necessary for starting it in safe mode. If you will hear one beep when you begin to press and hold the button, then a second after about 7 seconds. You can remove your finger from the button after you hear the second beep. Now restart the Xbox again and check the problem. If the same problem persists, then go to the third step. Step 3. Check the HDMI cable and port physically. Remove the HDMI cable from the Xbox and the TV and look inside both ports with a flashlight. Do you see any bent pins inside the HDMI port? If there is a bent pin in the Xbox or the TV, you would see a no signal area or a blank screen. If there is a bent pin, unplug the TV or Xbox from the wall and gently push it back into a place using a flat screwdriver. So that's the whole story, my friends. We have covered all steps to fix Xbox no signal, weak signal or a blank screen issues. If you face any problem, please leave a comment here. I will be happy to help you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel Fix Netflix for more tech tips and tutorials. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please feel free to leave a comments below. Thanks for watching this video and we will see you in the next video.